And while we're at it, we're also going to replace the thermostat, because why not do some cheap preventative maintenance while we're at it. Grab your pliers, let's go ahead and remove this, and it should slide right off. There shouldn't be any fluid in here because it drained on the bottom of the radiator. To gain extra room, let's go ahead and grab your deck. We're gonna move this air intake. Yours might not be here. I think stock might be right inside of here. Either way, for me, I need to move this cold air intake. Now let's tuck that sucker out of the way so we now have more access. While we're here, we're gonna go ahead and tackle the thermostat since everything's out of the way. Grab a 12mm and break loose these nuts. This one on the bottom as well. There you go. Now we have the new gasket and the new thermostat that we need to replace it with. If you feel confident enough to use a metal razor blade, you can go ahead and use that to remove this old gasket, as it is going to chip away. If you don't, use a plastic scraper because you do not want to gouge this aluminum. Most of it off, I'm now going to pull out the thermostat. They look to be just about the same size. This spring is pretty dang hard, and the old spring, pretty bouncy. I don't think I should be able to do that. Just gonna clean the rest of this off before and after. I didn't have to sand it. I used a rotary tool. You can use sandpaper instead. Very lightly, do not gouge it. To make this job a little bit easier, I'm also gonna sand it here. Have it plugged into my little portable battery box. Let's grab the gasket. And the thermostat. The thermostat, see this hole here? That's the breather hole. It helps bleed this whole engine. So go ahead and make sure that this hole right here is facing upwards because heat and air rises. There you go. Now we need to torque this. I'm torquing this down to 16 foot-pounds. Just like that, you have bled the cooling system in your Mazda Miata. We got hot air, to temperature, and now we can shut off the car. So good luck doing it at home.